All right, I have a Vicks humidifier, and I'm going to be adding one of the VapoPads refill pad to the Vicks humidifier. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's important to note, do not touch the pad itself because it can irritate your skin and possibly your eyes if you touch your eyes. If you happen to touch the pad, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after touching it. All right, so with this, what I'm going to do is I have the machine off, and I'm going to open this door down here. And see this door right here? This is where the pad goes. It goes into this slot right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this carefully. And what I'm going to do is I don't have any gloves, so I'm going to try to use this to get it in here. So I'm going to have this vapor pad. And it goes right there. I'm not touching it because I don't want to have irritation to my eyes. I'm using just this thing right here. It would be advisable to use gloves per se. Let's see if I put it in here this way. There we go. So it's there, and what I'm going to do after this, I'm just going to close it. Then I'm going to turn on my Vicks humidifier, and voila, it's in there, it's against there. It's good for 8 hours, supposedly. That's how you put in the Vicks VapoPad. I'm going to go wash my hands just in case. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.